So we'll first look at how we use the PowerTrend system to trade stocks. And we use a two-step process to trade stocks. Step number one is we determine the price trend of a stock using the 10-month simple moving average. And then step two is we select a low-risk entry point for our stock purchase using the Keltner channels. So we'll look at step one first, determining the price trend of a stock using the 10-month simple moving average. Now the 10-month simple moving average is calculated by adding the monthly price over the last 10 months and dividing by 10 to come up with the 10-month simple moving average. And the 10-month simple moving average, it smooths out the day-to-day noise of a stock price and gives us a clear picture of the stock's price trend and whether we should be buying or selling that stock. The 1-month price of a stock in relation to its 10-month simple moving average is an excellent way to identify the price trend of a stock. Now, if the 1-month price of a stock is above the 10-month simple moving average, a bullish trend is indicated. And if the 1-month price is below the 10-month simple moving average, a bearish trend is indicated. Now, we only look at the 1-month price of a stock in relation to the 10-month simple moving average on the last trading day of the month, and we ignore all other trading days. And it only takes a minute to pull up the 10-month simple moving average to see if your stock is on a buy or a sell signal. Now, a buy signal occurs when the 1-month price of a stock is above the 10-month simple moving average on the last trading day of the month, and a sell signal occurs when the 1-month price of a stock is below the 10-month simple moving average on the last trading day of the month. Now, it's just that simple. Everything else is just noise, and as I mentioned, it only takes a minute on the internet to pull up the 1-month price and the 10-month simple moving average to see whether you should be buying or selling. And a stock will remain on a buy signal as long as the 1-month price trades above the 10-month simple moving average. Now, when a stock is on a PowerTrend buy signal, the buy signal indicates that the most likely future price movement for the stock is up and the stock should be purchased. And many times the price trend of a stock continues in the same direction and can persist longer than you might expect. You can download the 1-month price and 10-month simple moving average from stockcharts.com, and you need the basic subscription at Stock Charts, which is about $15 a month the last time I checked, and they have a lot of valuable charting information on this website, and we use it day in and day out to analyze our stock and option trades. So let's look at some PowerTrend buy signal examples for stocks, and this is a monthly price chart and 10-month simple moving average chart for MasterCard. So the 1-month price is this red black line right here, and you can see the 1-month price is calculated on the last trading day of the month. So the last trading day of the month in July, the stock was trading here. The last trading day in August, the stock was trading here. Last trading day in September, the stock was trading here. So this is the 1-month price of MasterCard. And this blue line right here is the 10-month simple moving average. So we can see in July, the 1-month price crossed above the 10-month simple moving average, and on the last trading day of the month, it was above that 10-month average. So at that point, MasterCard was on a buy signal, and you can purchase the stock or purchase call options on MasterCard once it's on a buy signal. And as long as this 1 month price remains above the 10-month simple moving average, we can take bullish trades for MasterCard. And as I mentioned, this MasterCard remained on a buy signal up and through the last trading day in October, which is where this particular chart ends. Here's another example for Procter & Gamble, and the black line is the 1 month price, and the blue line is the 10-month simple moving average, and we can see that the 1 month price crossed above the 10-month simple moving average the last trading day in July, and at that point Procter & Gamble was on a buy signal. And Procter & Gamble remained on a buy signal. As you can see, that 1 month price stayed above the 10-month simple moving average, so it remained on a buy signal in this chart. Now, the goal of trend following is to quantitatively measure the price trend, and trend following allows us to follow the trend instead of trying to predict the future price movement of a stock. And we like to use a mechanical system instead of emotional decision making, and eliminating emotional decision making can give us the discipline we need to be a successful trader. We've been using trend following successfully for more than 35 years, and it also worked well in the 2002 and 2008 bear markets when we purchased bearish ETFs and put options. Now, step 2 in the trade selection process is to select a low-risk entry point for our stock purchase using the Keltner channels.